Hey English learner, welcome back to my channel. Let's learn something new today. I hope you will enjoy this video. So let's dive in. I blank hate vegetables, but now I love them. Used to or am used to. So used to follows a verb and it is used for past habit, right? Whereas am used to must follow noun or ing form of the verb. We should use am used to when we mean that we are comfortable with something or we are familiar with something, right? So in that case, we are going to use am used to in the given sentence. We have now I love them. Presently, I love vegetables. It means hating vegetable was past habit, right? Therefore, I used to and used to must follow a verb. So hate is a verb. Hate is a verb, so we use here used to. I used to hate vegetables, but now I love them. As simple as that. I hope you learned something new today. Don't forget to share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.